My name is Kathy Giordano, and I'm the Education Specialist for the National Tourette Association. I presented on the federal law regarding manifestation determinations, and the main points are federal protections for students with IEPs and 504 plans. Students with IEPs and 504 plans do have federal protections from being suspended, and it's called manifestation determination. And basically that is to have a meeting to determine whether or not the behavior which has elicited the suspension is a part and due to the disability. Knowing the laws that have to do with discipline and suspensions and manifestations. Because Tourette syndrome is so highly misunderstood, that it's important that parents know the laws surrounding suspensions before it happens. And each state may have a small variance to the federal law, so we really encourage parents to go to your state Department of Education and look up manifestation, look up discipline laws, so that you know ahead of time your child's rights when it comes to discipline and suspensions. Here are the takeaways again. Federal protections for students with IEPs and 504 plans. Knowing the laws that have to do with discipline and suspensions and manifestations. A key question that came up during the session is what kind of protections do students have that don't have a 504 or an IEP but are diagnosed with Tourette? The important information is that the federal law still protects the students if they don't have an IEP or a 504, but only if the parents put in writing, not email, but in writing, that they believe that their child does have a disability that is impacting their education. At that point, they are considered to be a child with a disability and have all the same protections that they would have as if they had an IEP or a 504. I think one of the things that parents should do is to recognize that there are laws that protect their children from being disciplined and being suspended, and that they really need to educate themselves before anything occurs so that they are prepared. It's a very serious situation, and you need to take these meetings very seriously and almost go on with your lawyer hat on.